how to do the lattice method of multiplication. So first you will draw a square. You will then divide the square up depending on how many digits you have in each factor. In this case, we have a 2-digit number multiplied by another 2-digit number, so I will divide the box into a 4x4. So let's start off with the box. I got 23 by 46. So I'm going to divide that into 4s, just like that. So first it doesn't matter what number you put on top or what on the side, just like in normal multiplication, it doesn't matter what number's first, but in this case, since the 23 is first, I'm going to put that one on top. 23, and we got 46. So just for the purpose of this, I'm going to color coordinate each box so you can see it just a little bit better. So at first, you're going to divide you're going to be paying attention to each square individually within the big square. All right. So now we're going to divide the squares straight down the middle in the diagonal. What this line does is it's going to split up at the end and put our numbers into place values. So this will be the ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So let's start off with the yellow box first. We have a 3 and a 4. What you're going to do is multiply those two. This is going to be, this little section, this little triangle, is going to be the tens. This triangle on the bottom is going to be the ones. So we got 3 times 4 is 12. So we put the 1 in the tens, 2 in the ones. Now for the pink square, we got 3 times 6. Again, the same thing. This one's going to be the tens, the ones. So we have 18, so 1's going to be in the tens because we have 1 10. We have 8 ones. 2 times 4, the blue square, we have 8. So we have 0 tens, so we're going to put a 0 there. Remember to always put your placeholder so you don't get confused. 0 tens and 8 ones. 2 times 6 is 12 for the purple square. We have 1 set of 10. We have 2 sets of 1s. So now what these diagonal lines do is going to put our answer into the correct place values. So we have 8. And what we're going to do is just multiply straight down this line. I'm sorry, not multiply, add straight down this line. So we have 2 plus 1 plus 2. 2 give us 5. 8 plus 1 plus 1. It's going to give us 10. So instead of writing 10 here, because we can't have, just like in normal addition, you have to carry the 1 to the next place. Let's bring it down to that. So your answer for this one is going to be 1,508. So what we're going to do now is break it down just a little bit further. All right. So now let's try with, let's go ahead and do different numbers. We'll do 54 times 30. So to break it down a little further, we're going to do an area model. I'm going to draw a square like we're finding the area. I'm going to split it up into 4s again. So usually with area models, you'd break them into 10s and 1s. We got 30 and 1. So just like lattice, we're going to do multiplication. 50 times 30 is going to give us 1,500. 4 times 30 is going to give us 120. 4 times 1 is going to give us 4. 50 times 1 is going to give us 50. So now let's do the lattice side. Again, same boxes. 54, 31. Going to divide those lines down again. 4 times 3 equals 12. 4 times 1, 4. 5 times 3, 15. 5 times 1, 5. And as you can see, with the area models, you see a lot of similar numbers. You see the 1,500, 15, 50, this 5, 120, 12, 4, 4. What lattice does is it eliminates all of those zeros that can get kind of tricky with the standard method. That's why I like this method so much. So we've got, I'm going to color coordinate these so we could just see them a little bit better. These diagonals. And let's do blue and purple. All right, so this blue column, we only got a 4, so 4. 5 plus 2 is going to give us 7 for the green. The red is going to give us 6. the one is going to. Now if we were to go over here and add up these, it's going to give us the same number. We got 1,500 with 120. That'll give us 1,520. 620. Yes. And we got 50 times plus 4, 54. Got 1,620 plus 54. Gonna give us the same number as the lattice.